I got a rotisserie chicken from Costco. First, we're gonna cut the meat out of the chicken breast, and then we're gonna put it on the cutting board and then chop up the meat. Then we're gonna chop up some red onion. Chop a celery stalk too. We are going to add about ½ cup of mayo to the chicken, and then we're going to add a few tablespoons of mustard. Now we are going to sprinkle in some of our chopped celery and sprinkle in some of our red onion too. I like to use honey instead of using sugar, and then season it with some salt. Add a little bit of pepper, and most importantly, don't forget the dried dill. Finish it with a few tablespoons of relish. Mix it together, and if the mixture isn't wet enough, add more mayonnaise and mustard. I'm using croissant bread because it's my favorite, but you can use whatever bread you want. Now we're going to add the chicken salad to our bread. It's an easy recipe, but a good snack to make all year round.